Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest tech reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of Samsung's The Frame TV. This unique flat screen is more refined and artistic than ever before. Let's explore its features, performance, and design in this review. The Frame is not your ordinary TV. It combines the functionality of a 4K HDR smart TV with the aesthetic appeal of a wall-mounted art piece. The new matte finish screen enhances the presentation of digital art and reduces reflections, giving it an authentic canvas-like feel. With the option to add custom picture frame bezels, the Frame seamlessly integrates into your home decor. Don't be fooled by its artistic appearance. The Frame is a full-fledged smart TV. Running on the Tizen platform, it offers a wide range of premium streaming apps. Catch-up TV services, and Samsung's own IPTV channel selection. It's compatible with popular voice assistants like Google Assistant and Alexa, making it a convenient hub for all your SmartThings connected devices. The Frame covers all the bases when it comes to content. With Disney+, Netflix, Prime Video, and Apple TV Plus pre-installed, you have access to all the premium streaming services. While Freeview Play is absent on the UK edition, key catch-up services like ITVX, BBC iPlayer, and all four are available, ensuring you won't miss your favorite shows. Gaming on the Frame is surprisingly good. With low input lag and a dedicated pop-up gaming interface, it's a solid choice for gaming enthusiasts. The inclusion of Samsung's Quantum Processor 4K and AI-optimized intelligent picture setting enhances the overall gaming experience. However, be cautious with the auto motion setting, as it can introduce a soap opera effect that may not be desirable for movies and TV shows. The picture quality in the Frame is impressive. Its QLED panel delivers rich and vibrant colors, while the matte-style screen enhances the display of digital artwork. The inherent brightness of the panel makes it suitable for bright rooms and daytime viewing. The HDR performance is respectable, with intense specular highlights and good depth in images. However, it's worth noting that the Frame supports HDR10+ and HLG but lacks Dolby Vision support. When it comes to audio, the Frame doesn't disappoint. With Samsung's object tracking sound system and support for Dolby Atmos object-based surround sound, it provides an immersive and enjoyable audio experience. The inclusion of up-firing drivers expands the soundstage, creating a more spacious sound. For those seeking even better audio performance, the Frame is compatible with Samsung's Q Symphony soundbars. The Frame's design is where it truly shines. With its slim and bezel-less form, it seamlessly blends into any room. The optional magnetic picture frame bezels add a touch of customization, with various colors and styles to choose from. The inclusion of the One Connect box reduces cable clutter and simplifies wall hanging. It offers a decent range of connectivity options, including HDMI inputs, a digital optical audio output, an Ethernet jack, and a common interface slot. Navigating the Frame is a breeze with the Tizen UI. It offers easy access to menus for search, art, game, and media. Art Mode allows you to choose from a selection of digital artworks or subscribe to the Samsung Art Store for an even wider range of options. You can also display your own artwork by loading JPEGs via USB or sending them from your smartphone. The Frame supports voice assistants like Bixby, Amazon Alexa, and Google, ensuring a convenient control experience. To summarize, the Frame from Samsung is a uniquely classy TV that blends art and technology seamlessly. Its matte screen and customizable bezels create an authentic art piece feel, while the QLED picture quality delivers vibrant colors and sharp details. With its smart features, gaming capabilities, and impressive audio performance, it's a versatile TV that caters to various needs. If you're looking for a TV that doubles as a work of art, the Frame is definitely worth considering. That wraps up our review of the Frame from Samsung. We hope you found this information helpful. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.